If you're pressed for time and love beading, getting a subscription box might be just what you need. Thank you to PotomacBeads for sending us this one to check out for the month of November. Let's see what's inside. But before we do, this one has a very interesting shape. It feels like there is something attached to the outside of the box, so let's see what it is. We have a nice pair of pliers. These are 4.75-inch long nose pliers. And how cool is this to get a pair of tools with your beading subscription box? And now for the main attraction. I don't think I've ever mentioned how big these boxes are. They are 7 inches by 5 1/4. And they're also 1 3/4 inch deep. This is always a surprise for me. Let's see what it is this month. We have the theme of Twilight Bloom here on the front of the card. You can pause the video and read all about it. And on the back of the card, it gives you a list of everything that's included. Moving it out of the way, you just kind of see all the plastic bags and things that are in the box. So as always, I'm going to take them all out and show it to you individually. And we're starting off with 4mm Potomac Crystal Bicones. These are a lovely light rose AB color. So let's go ahead and mark those off. I quickly put everything out and I am just trying to find the next thing on the list. The next thing that's included this month is gemstone barrel beads. The closest thing I can find in my box would be this gemstone oval, which is almost a barrel shape. Here they are close up. And we're going to say that these jet gemstone ovals are actually the gemstone barrel beads. Okay, next we have some pearls. These are beautiful 3mm Potomac pearl in rose gold. So a girl can never have too many pearls. And we'll just pop back in the original bicone crystals and look how they went together. And these come in a full 16-inch strand. And very cute check glass ladybug beads. And there's these check glass leaf drop beads. And the hole would run through the top of one of these. And we have 2 check glass butterfly beads. Another check glass bead are these filigree teardrops, and the hole runs from the top to the bottom. And there's also dagger beads. These are the kind that have 1 hole in the top. And they come in assorted sizes. There's some of the small ones and larger ones in the mix. And they're such a pretty deep cranberry sort of color. There's 2 sets of hook and eye clasp, along with 2 20mm hammered rings. And some 0.8mm stretch string. I'm excited for this because even though it says no fray, last time my dog decided to put that to the test. And if you're a seed bead lover, check out these Miyuki size 8 Duracoat galvanized seed beads. And some check glass cup buttons. Check out these shimmering 18mm check glass faceted rounds. They're very solid and heavy. And there's a strand of these check glass rondelle beads, kind of like a gray opal color. And 2 check glass heart beads. And these check glass twisted nugget beads, a very interesting shape. Could be a lot of fun to work with. And 2 of these check glass rough nugget rondelles. Thanks for checking out all the things in this month's Potomac Bead Box, and as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.